How to Run Deepseek Locally 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about DeepSeek and how you're going to be able to run it locally for yourself. Now, this is really simple. All you're going to be doing is you're going to be activating DeepSync for yourself. And what happens is DeepSeek is going to be accessing all of your local settings. Okay, DeepSeek R1 enables local AI model operations for improved data privacy, where DeepSeek R1 offers users the ability to run AI models locally, enhancing privacy and control over all of your personal data. Now, you get the entire deployment on the local AI workings that DeepSeek provides you. And it's, good for advanced capabilities and it's quite cost effective as well. So simply go ahead, activate the Deep Think mode, and that will give DeepSeek the local model versions and hardware capabilities that it needs. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.